Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of my October vlog. Today is the 20th of October. I'm sorry if I gave you a scare. I just filmed this makeup look. I followed the tutorial on YouTube by Cosmo by Hailey. I followed her on Instagram and she uploaded this tutorial, and so I just followed it because I really liked it. I'm not celebrating Halloween unfortunately, but I just thought it would be fun to try out. This is my very first time doing gory makeup and I think it's fun. So yeah, I have it on right now and I'm about to wash it off because I'm heading to town. I mean, I'm heading out and I cannot head out with this. So hopefully it'll be easy to wash away because it's on my face. And I think one mistake I did was put it too close to my eyes and it's not big enough, so it's really difficult. It was really difficult for me to fit the card into the right place. I think like cutting the cards and fitting it in is the most difficult one because the cards are just too big for my wound. So I should have made it longer and further away from my eyes because right now my eyes are not pain, but it just feels a little tingly weird, I guess. Also, please excuse my bed. I know it's very messy. Not only my bed is messy, down here it's very messy because I just filmed this makeup look and it's just like I have cards all over the place, tissues everywhere, yeah, and multiple makeup products. So I'll leave the link to my video as well as Cosmo by Hailey's in the description box below. So if you want to try, oh wait, by the time this video is up, Halloween will be over. If you want to try out this kind of gory look, it's actually pretty easy because like I said, this is my first time and I think I did a pretty good job, so you can definitely try. I got my latex from just an ordinary stationery shop because it's kind of like glue, just that it's non-toxic and it's you can just peel it off your face. I think I actually tested this out on my leg yesterday because I didn't want to immediately put something I don't really know on my face. So I tested it on my leg yesterday and it was so funny. I sent a photo to my boyfriend and after I sent him the photo, I went to wash it off, and when I came back, I saw that he actually called me and he was like, oh my god, what happened? Yeah, so it was kind of funny, but I felt quite bad. Also, this morning, I woke up early and I uploaded my Blackpink and Dua Lipa Kiss and Makeup cover. So if you haven't watched that yet, listened to that yet, I will put the video in the card. So yeah, time to wash this off. I hope this comes off easily. So hello, I'm in the bathroom. I'm about to wash the makeup off and I'll be using this oil cleanser because it's the best and most efficient in removing makeup, and I've been using this apple one from Innisfree. I've been loving it. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. Okay, this is my DSLR, so if it drops I'm just gonna level you up. No, that's not gonna work. Okay, so I just dropped my DSLR, but I catched it, so everything's fine. I mean, I can put you here, but I won't be able to see the screen, so I'm just going to close the screen. And hopefully you're filming a good angle. God, my makeup look. And my hair actually looks pretty nice, don't you think? I'm in such a weird mood today, I'm sorry, but I actually really like this makeup. Oh my god, I think it looks cool. How do I look with my hair down? I think I look really off because this eye doesn't have any mascara and it doesn't have any eyeliner, so it looks smaller. You know, like when you apply peel off mask, this is how it feels like when you remove it. Should I wear this blazer or not? Hello, it is the same day and I am about to pack my bag to head out and join me. I have my workout clothes right over here, which is covered by this camera strap. I have my workout clothes right over here because I'm going to the gym tomorrow, and then I have my makeup pouch and my toiletries. I think I'm gonna bring my glasses. Do you guys think that this outfit is going to suit my yellow bag? Because I don't think it would, but we have no choice. So I'm bringing this yellow bag, bringing this yellow bag again because it's great. It can fit all my stuff. I need to put my laptop in my laptop bag. What's this? This is a no battery. Oh. Yep, another time I'm going to be in town. Okay, that is all. I'm heading out. See you guys when I'm outside.
Then press the red color button first at the back here.
You look like a BTS fan because you got this on your back. Truffle fries. Oh, like compared to last time. 여기 주세요. Okay.
Okay, I found a band all in the center.
Yeah. Oh my god. Minutes to go. I bought pizza yesterday to prepare myself. So I'm gonna go get it later on. A little bit. Oh my god.
And pudding.
Wow. Chocolate cake. Apple crumble. Oh my god.
Oh, chocolate cake, man.
Wow.
Oh, I select good.
Salad bar.
How to survive all this? Oh, you take picture.
Wow. This is my plate.
Number 5. No sugar, no?
Look.
Open. Wow. Mango shortcake, right? I tell you later. Then you take the whole pizza.
Oh my god, it's my favorite.
soft อ่ะ
Okay, now to end this vlog. As usual, I want to thank you guys for watching this vlog. To be honest, I cannot remember what I did in this vlog, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my Bangkok vlog. Bye!